Hi, my name is Daniel. Today, I would like to show you our newest feature within the manufacturing scanning app. Therefore, we will take a look on the following production order. We will produce the Javikiss Sunny Day 50 milliliters, and this production order contains 3 component lines, and we will focus on the first one, on the Javikiss Sunny Day bulk. Therefore, I have already printed the load carrier informations, and we do see it contains the load carrier number, the lot number, the quantity, and so on. So now we jump directly on the scanner. We will post production consumption. So therefore, we look up the dialog of the production consumption. Now it's very simple because I simply scan my production order. He automatically pre-fills my order number on the top. And now in the second step, that's why we printed the load carrier label. It's very user-friendly because now I simply scan my load carrier number, my load carrier label. And then we do see he automatically pins the load carrier informations on the top. And then I simply look up the dialog, and we do see he just asks me for the consumption quantity. But in the background, he already took the information from the lot number and from the load carrier number. So very user-friendly. We just need to enter now the consumption quantity. I approve, and then the process is done, and it's shown by the green check bar on the right side.